Remove the cap.
Kenya is bigger than the people. Yawa.
Listen first. What is... I want to tell you something, my brother. You are my brother. But what... Some people tell me Raila will not be for president 2027 because of African Union. Manto Kanyal, Swesi. Raila must be for president because it's the Republic of this nation. Kadua ni jomoko wacho ni 4 years ni Raila bere Adis Ababa, Ethiopia. I will not allow that. I'm a Kenyan. Koro ni Raila ni koro jal uoge jopini is deleted. If you want to delete Raila, delete before you delete Raila muludinga. Raila is my president in waiting 2027. I don't want jokes. I don't want jokes. Raila nyaka bere Kadako resign African Union no to view kind as a president of this nation. I say, I am in Kisumu. Yes, tell them.
You are in Kisumu.
Hey.
Pero Kamano, we thank you for your short briefing.
Yes, because Nikoro at what wengine watasema ati sitaona baba. Sitaona. Sasa tutauawa tu because baba is not aware. Mera gino yenya bwana. Ina nenyo. Gino yenya wodwegi. Kada in migoya pichano. Nikoro Raila ok bi wuoye Kenya ni ok bi bedo president 2027. Who is Ruto? If you kill Baba, you kill yourself, and Kenya is not. Kenya ok bi bedo mari. Kanisi bwana. Na ukiai bwana. Me, I know my president is Raila Odinga. I didn't recognize Ruto as a president. I see Olusegun Obasanjo alisalamia Raila. Koro, wape Raila heshima zake. Si ati baba anaenda tu nje, ati hawezi ongea kwa maneno ya Kenya. Baba must talk about Kenya because Kenya is Marwa. Kenya is not for Ruto. Kenya is for everybody. But I'm going.